lead us in singing the St. Joseph Regional Alma Mater. The last verse will be performed by our most recent Hall of Fame inductee, Michael Murphy, class of 1999.
In confidence we take our leave, and knowing well that we believe the efforts that for us were made throughout our lives will